Let's now learn how to make a kill pill in Roblox. Here I have a red pill. I name it pill. Let's now go to the pill and we're gonna add a script. Inside your script, just enter the following lines. Our pill has a touch event, and you can refer to our prior tutorial for more details about touch events. So whenever this pill is touched, it's gonna call this function. In this function, we're checking for humanoid, which means we're trying to determine if it is a player that touches our pill. If it is a player that is touching our pill, humanoid is not going to be nil, so humanoid is going to be true, and we're going to change the humanoid health to 0. That would kill the character. Let's now play test and take a look. First, I want to show you inside the workspace. Here is my character. If I go inside my character, you're going to see I have a humanoid object. Click on the humanoid object, go to the properties window, and go to the bottom, somewhere near the bottom. You're gonna have a property named health. Right now it's 100. Now as soon as I go and touch that pill, my health is gonna change to 0, and I'm gonna die. Here we go. You see the health turn 0, and I'm dead. That is how you kill a player in Roblox.